In this video, we're going to talk on how a day trader can actually bring you to freedom or not. So guys, in a little bit, I'm going to go on my computer and you actually are going to see what it is that you can do with a skill like trading and what it can do for you. In case you don't want to recruit online, in case you don't want to market online, and you want something that still does the work for you in terms of you put in the work and you reap the rewards. Is that interesting? Then stay tuned. I'm gonna hop on my computer and you're gonna see everything. Cheers. Welcome guys to another video. It's Tuesday. My name is David Pinto. We also call me TipsWithDav, and I'm just gonna get into it. You guys understand that we're talking about trading every single Tuesday. I like to make at least one video a week about trading. I talk a lot about marketing because that's my passion. But at least once a week, I want to make a video about trading. Okay, so Tuesdays is usually my day on about trading, the strategy that I follow, how iCoinPro fits into the whole strategy, and we're just going to basically show you how I run my business. Okay. That being said, if you do like the content, if you do want to get some free training, there's a free training in the description of this video for the micro profit system, which we're going to talk about in a second. As well as if you go just below that, there are all my links, as well as a free training which I teach you guys about skill sets that I have put in place myself. Okay, so it's up to you. I have a lot of free stuff. I know I should be asking people to pay, but at the end of the day, I know that if I bring value to you, you definitely bring value to me. So that being said, let's get into it. If you want to make some money online without recruiting people, without actually breaking your head in terms of understanding how to market, I suggest the easiest and the best way to get started this way without headache. Sorry about that, guys. My dog is in the background and he wants to sleep on his bag of food, empty bag of food, so that's why the noise in the background. But anyway, that you will hear him there. He's basically trying to find a place where he feels comfortable and stuff like that. Anyway, getting back to the topic at hand. As you can see, I'm excited, okay, because I believe that this has a potential. And in fact, if I was getting started online today, maybe I would start off first with trading and then go into marketing, because marketing is a skill set that definitely takes time to learn. Trading also takes time to learn, but it's faster and it depends on nobody but yourself. Marketing also, you don't need anybody but yourself in terms of a skill set. But when it comes to generating income via marketing, you are teaching yourself the skill, but you are showing others. And in that sense, if the others don't convert, means you're not learning your skill properly. And sometimes it takes time to understand the psychology behind marketing to help that conversion rate for yourself and build an income online, which is why I suggest people definitely to decide between the two. I don't have a preference, but I do think that if you don't want to start off recruiting and you actually want to rely on yourself, okay? Because a lot of people out there don't want to trust me, don't want to trust other people who are promoting products or services out there. They don't want to. They don't like to. They want to stay far away from it. So if that's the question, if that's the mindset that you have, then it's not going to work for you that well. But if you have that mindset and you think that, okay, I can trust myself because I'm going to put in the work and effort to actually build an income with this kind of source or with this kind of method, then iCoinPro, the trading strategy that I'm talking to you, is for you. Okay. The reason for that is that if you are good at self-education and start to actually implement, and the idea is to implement, remember, I cannot guarantee you any results. I cannot guarantee you any results. I cannot guarantee you exactly how much you're going to make. I have disclaimers in the description of this video, and we're going to have a disclaimer also in this video. But the point that I'm trying to make is that you can do it by just implementing the strategy that we teach. But it's all in you. Okay, the funds are in your control, firstly, because you're going to purchase this product. Okay, you're learning something from it. It's like you're having a course. Okay, you purchase a course, you pay for a course, but then you take the information that you learn from the course and actually implement it to earn money. In this way, iCoinPro, you learn the information. They give you the tools and everything else that you need, and then you go on an exchange like Binance, you go on an exchange like Kraken, you go on an exchange like Bitfinex or whatever, whichever exchange that you like, and you start to trade there. So you're in complete control of the funds that you have. and etc. etc. Okay, so that's why I personally suggest to get started with trading if you are unsure of being committed long term. If you're committed to yourself, this is for you. Okay, enough of repeating myself quite a bit. The strategy that I have is literally laid out in 4 videos. Yes, guys, I've put it down into 4 videos. Okay, one is iCoinPro and actually immersing yourself in the knowledge that we have in iCoinPro and the micro profit system, which is the way, and as the name suggests, micro profits every single day is better than having tons of macro profits once a week or once a month or whatever. Okay, so we focus on the micro profit system to teach you how to trade, and there have been many traders who have gone from nothing to full-time traders because of this. Okay, and I'm on the way as well. So iCoinPro first, talk to you guys about it. Then there's the second video. The second video is specifically how to start to generate a passive income with the knowledge behind of trading. Okay, so that's trading, and you're using trading and you have passive income working for you on the back end. So that's the way I place this product. Brilliant. I'm not going to get into it. You have to get the system in order for you to actually get this product. Okay, the third video is to create a personal guide for it. Now this is the way I am teaching you through these videos how to do it for yourself. But on the other hand, I do provide the support in my group as well as a one-to-one if you do join iCoinPro with me. Okay, and then last but not the least, if you want to market this whole system, I teach you how to market it as well. It's up to you, but I basically give you a formula that you can use to start to generate on the marketing side, to the best of both worlds. Okay, but the aim is to start learning with the trading. Now what you can do, let me show you guys in the Facebook groups. Again, results not typical. I'm going to read disclaimers. This is the group, okay, the official group, company group. And this is an example from August 9th. Okay, I am going to read the disclaimer before I go ahead and see this. iCoinPro and the iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provide an informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guarantees of future income. Any investment contains risk, and 100% the responsibility of the investor to assess the risks or rewards involved. It is possible to lose some or all of your investment. We assume no liability assumed or implied for your application of the information shared from the training programs. Okay, that is a disclaimer because we want to make sure that you understand the risk of trading in itself. But for example, as you can see right here, these are trades that that Danny has had in the last few days. Okay, these again are more trades yesterday from him. This is a trading for the week from Mike. Has got $4,000 in a week, guys. In a week, $4,000. Okay, I can go on. This is $3,000 from Lily. Here's another 2.474% increase, and I can go on. And there are people who have become like full-time traders because of this. Okay, this is the strategy that I follow. Like I said in the description of this video, there's a free training to the micro profit system that I have. Go through that. Join iCoinPro first, and then we can get started talking about the second, how to actually put all these 4 videos in place. If you join iCoinPro, you don't even have to go through my whole system. I'll send this page to you. Just reach out to me. That's all you have to do is reach out to me. I will send this page to you so you have all the information in one place. You can bookmark it and come back to it again and again as you wish. Okay. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. I hope you understood how you can actually start to generate a cash flow trading online. And if this is interesting for you, check out the free training that I have below. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.